Here at TTANZ, we hate hearing about PC woes. And when we saw this tweet, maybe it's over this side somewhere, from our pal StormRNG, it was as if the bat symbol had been shone up into the sky. Only this time it was the TT symbol. We just had to help. So today we're gonna build an amazing new streaming/editing/gaming PC for our friend Storm. Let's get building. TT away! I feel like I should have gone the other way. I should have gone this way. I should have gone this way. Ah! It's fine. It's fine. For Storm's motherboard, she's gone with the Asus TUF Gaming X670E. Storm wanted to upgrade from her DDR4 system, so a new motherboard was certainly on the table. This motherboard also comes with a bunch of quality of life upgrades for Storm's content creation, like a bunch of USB 3.2 ports and multiple M.2 slots for faster storage. For the CPU, Storm's going Team Red, tapping in the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X. You can honestly never go wrong with AMD when it comes to content creation, and the 7900X is an absolute beast of a CPU. RAM-wise, we're going DDR5, tapping in 32GB of our TUF RAM XG at 6000 mega transfers. Our XG RAM features tightly screened ICs, providing Storm with the fastest response time. She's also picked up the snowy white version of our RAM to match the rest of the build. Storage-wise, Storm has a bunch of M.2 she'll probably tap in at a later date, but today we're going to install this brand new Samsung 970 EVO M.2 for her OS. Case reveal time! Storm's elected to go with our stunning Series 500 case in white. I mean, just look at that gorgeous striking design. I mean, do I need to say any more? We've also tapped in this cheeky LCD screen to go with the Series 500 to show off some pretty gifts. For cooling, Storm's going to keep up with this snowy theme of her PC and use one of our TH240 AIO coolers. To power this bad boy, we're using our Tough Power GF3 power supplies at 850 watts. Our Tough Power GF3s come ATX 3.0 ready and are some of the most stable and reliable power supplies that you'll find. And last but not least, Storm is keeping her MSI Supreme RTX 3090 graphics card. But unfortunately, she's going to bring it in when she picks up her PC, so for the build video, we're just going to slot in this cheeky MSI 4080 we have on hand. Shh, don't tell anyone. So that's how it all came together. Let's see how it looks. Cue the epic B-roll.
Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on, take my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya. Mini skirt on. Foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not going home with ya.
Here it is, StormRNG's new gaming/editing/streaming beast of a PC. If you want to see this bad boy in action, remember to check out StormRNG on all of her platforms like Twitch and YouTube. We'll pop all of her links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy it, why not give it a thumbs up to let us know? And we will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye, Storm. She's so cute.